In this video, I will show you how to quickly resolve those frustrating GitHub authentication errors when using Claude. You might run into a situation where your code repositories simply will not sync or the connection seems stuck in a loop. To fix this, first navigate to your Claude settings and look for the connectors section. Check to see if GitHub is listed. Even if it looks like it is working, go ahead and click the disconnect button to clear out any partial or corrupted data. This step is essential because it resets the handshake between the two platforms. After you have disconnected, open a new browser tab and head over to GitHub. You need to log out of your account completely to ensure there are no active sessions causing a conflict. Once you are logged out, sign back in using the specific account credentials you want to link with Claude. This refresh ensures that the browser has the correct tokens ready to go. Now, switch back to the Claude settings page where you were before. Click the connect button next to GitHub and follow the standard authorization prompts. By forcing a fresh login on the GitHub side before reconnecting, you resolve the underlying credential mismatch that usually causes these errors. This process only takes a minute and should restore your ability to pull code and collaborate with the AI immediately without any further issues. Your repository access will be fully restored so you can get back to coding. Thank you for watching this quick troubleshooting guide, and I hope this helps you work more efficiently.